Hello guys, this is Editing How To, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your video slow motion and fix the sound problem. So what you're going to want to do is you want to click S in the middle of a clip, so you divide it, and then find out what you want to make slow motion, and go to the very right of the video and click Control over it, and you'll see the little red bacon lines appear. So you just want to drag it over and make it slow motion. You can adjust that. Now this is what I want to make slow motion, no scope. And as you can tell from your video, it makes an annoying sound. So you want to fix that by taking this little two-edged triangle thingy and moving it over your video. Now, don't click over your video properties because that's not going to fix anything. You want to actually click on your audio and then go to properties. You'll see there's a lock stretch button there. You're going to want to click that and then press enter, press OK. And as you're going to see, that's going to, well, once you play it, I'm just showing you again just to show you exactly where, but when you're going to play your video, you're going to realize that the audio is fixed and it's locked to stretch just like the button says. And that's all. This has been Editing How To's. Thank you.